We start our video with non food crops. इन नॉन फूड क्रॉप्स में अगर हम देखेंगे तो हमारे पास फाइबर क्रॉप्स है और रबर है. सो वी विल डिस्कस देम ओनली. So rubber, it is an equatorial crop. Why equatorial? Because in that particular region where it is grown, the temperature is very much high and the region are nearby equator. So it is an equatorial crop, but under spatial condition, it is grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It requires moist and humid climate with rainfall or of more than 200 centimeters, temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Rubber is an important industrial raw material. You know that rubber is the sometimes we can say it is the basic one, because in all transports the tires and all rubber kind of material we require. And in many of mainly it is grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andaman and Nicobar islands of and Garo hills of Meghalaya. So fiber crops are jute, cotton, hemp and natural silk are four major fiber crops grown in India. Hemp, it can be two kind of meaning you can get. First is we call this bhang, and another meaning is this coarse fiber. ठीक है, जूट हुआ आपका, कोर्स फाइबर उसी से बनता है, जिसको हिंदी में सन भी बोलते हैं. So, grown in India, the first three derived from the crops from in the soil, and later it is obtained from cocoons of silkworm fed on the green leaves of especially the mulberry. Rearing of silkworm and the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. So in 8th class also you have read about different kind of cultures: apiculture, pisciculture, sericulture, viticulture. So different type of culture we read there. So one of you can say silk production comes under the sericulture. So first our fiber crop is cotton crop. Cotton in India, it is believed that original home of the cotton plant, because we people have read the history and we know that our was the country which grown the best quality of cotton, and it used to send for the industrial reason like in European countries. So all this we have read. So cotton is one of the main raw material of cotton textile industry. In 2016, India was second largest producer of cotton after China. Cotton grows well in drier parts of black cotton soil of Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. And it is the kharif crop requires 6 to 8 months for mature. So major cotton producing areas or states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Where this kind of soil is found, that is black soil, the cotton is grown. So basically first reason priority is that Gujarat and Maharashtra, and nearby region are included. Another crop is that is non-food crop, that is jute. Jute is another kind of fiber. It is known as the golden fiber. Golden fiber means like it provides good enough opportunities to grow even, and उसका जो कलर है उसके हिसाब से भी इसको बोल सकते हैं. Jute grows well on the drain fertile soil. Drain fertile wherever the river falls and deltaic region, especially पश्चिम बंगाल जिसको हम बोलते हैं, वेस्ट बंगाल. ठीक है. Soils in the flood plains where the soil renewed every year means it needs more fertility. So high temperature is required during the time of growth. And this particular temperature especially is found in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya. are major jute producing states. It is used in making gunny bags. मतलब सैक्स बनाए जाते हैं, पैकेजिंग बैग्स तैयार किए जाते हैं, मैट्स, रॉप्स, yarn, carpets and other artifacts, other kind of material are also prepared by jute. So due to its high cost, it is losing market. Now in one line it has been given, but sometime 5 mark question come before you, like about the government policies, what is government doing regarding the protection of jute in our country. So internationally this topic has been discussed, and the current government has taken many steps to establish the market of jute, and many schemes and many you can say strategies were given to the industry so that they can grow the crop of jute, and more and more emphasis is given to you can say stop the synthetic packaging material like polythene and etc., so that more and more use of jute can be done. So synthetic fibers and packing materials, particularly the nylon. So when government will provide some kind of policies to propagate this fiber, so definitely it will come in market, and we will be in better condition to compete with our neighboring country Bangladesh, and with other policies which will be internationally benefited for us. So till here we'll discuss today, and here we had discussed the non food crops, and you can see the crops other than food crops. So three categories we have discussed. Firstly, we discuss the फूड क्रॉप, जिनको हम कह सकते हैं, दूसरी हमने करी कैश क्रॉप्स, ठीक है, फिर नॉन फूड क्रॉप. So these three categories we have discussed, and they are very important. And in the next video tomorrow we'll discuss the technological and institutional reforms simultaneously, Bhudan Gram. So we complete, we finish, or we end this video here only. Thank you.